Has China been punished by the heavens for the great injustice it has done to the mankind? Well, if the current weather situations are a reflection, then it seems so. Hey everyone, I'm Shrinika Singh and today we'll be discussing how China has opened a can of worms for itself. Nature has been unleashing its fury one after the other on China. The situations arising from flood haven't come under control yet, and the typhoon is heading towards Shanghai. Yes, Typhoon Hagupit has made its landfall in Zhejiang province and is now heading towards Shanghai. Unusual and terrifying lightning accompanied with thunderbolts struck on the power lines of ching-chong municipality and a huge fire broke out. If you think these things were not weird enough, please wait. Let me tell you something about snow in peak summer. Yes, you heard it right. Snow in peak summer was seen in Beijing, Shanghai and Shanghai. This is said to be of great grievance by the heaven against grave injustice done as per the Chinese folklore. Besides the second phase of corona pandemic, there has been a new virus that is rapidly spreading in China. It is a tick-borne virus. 7 people have been dead till now and 60 affected. Now what do you think about this? Is it that China has made it in its lab, or is it really because of the tick? China is going to face embarrassing moments as Japan has rolled out a package to its companies in China to either set up their business factories in Japan, its homeland, or in any other Southeast Asian country. If whatever is happening naturally isn't enough for it, then China has also started border disputes with various countries like India, Vietnam, Taiwan, Philippines, Japan, etc. It has also not left its friend, or rather puppet, Pakistan. It has asked Pakistan to declare some of its citizens as terrorists. Now what is it doing? Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for me or any way in which I can improve, don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.